Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I created this look, and I have incorporated some new techniques in today's makeup tutorial. I have been trying out few new steps in my makeup, and today I thought of sharing it with you, and I learned this from YouTubers. So if you want to know how I created this look and what are the new techniques that I basically used to create this look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So I'm going to start with cleanly washed and moisturized skin. I'm going to use the NYX Total Drop Primer Drops, and this one is amazing for all skin type and especially for oily skin during winter times. And with all the new techniques that I have been following, my makeup is staying all day long without moving and budging. So once after primer, I'm going to set the primer with powder. Now this is what I was talking about. This one I learned from YouTuber Jackie Anna, and I think I have already showed you this trick in my previous video. So now the powder just makes sure that your primer does not move anywhere and also holds your foundation all day long. So I'm going to color correct my face. Just make sure you don't go overboard with the powder. Just apply very thin layer of powder, because if you apply lots of powder, do not do baking and all those sort of things with your powder on the top of the primer, because it may turn cakey. So I'm going to set the orange corrector as well with the powder. Now this one would also help to prevent the foundation turning orange. Some of them actually asked me how to prevent foundation turning orange once after applying foundation on the top of orange concealer. I haven't faced that problem, but this may be a solution. Try setting your orange concealer with powder first. So once after filling eyebrows, I'm going to apply foundation. Now this foundation is extremely light for me, so I'm just working this on the center parts of my face, and I'm just going to blend outwards. So once you powder your face before foundation, just make sure you blend the foundation with brush, not with your fingers, not with your beauty blender or any sponge. Brushes actually work good. So once after blending that, I'm going to contour my face, cream contour basically. I'm using my MAC Deep Concealer palette, and I'm using the darker shade, I think NW50 or 55 I think, and I'm just marking the usual areas of my face. Now cream contour actually gives the beautiful shadow and beautiful dimension to your face. Basically I really love cream contours, but I usually don't do it very often. Today, since the foundation is extremely light, I thought of doing some cream contour. And for concealing, I'm not going to go overboard with concealers, because on the top of powder, foundation is going to be extremely thick, and this one particularly is already thick in consistency, the Superstay one. So yes, I'm slightly going to apply the concealer, and I'm just going to let it sit onto my skin, let it bake onto my skin basically. So meanwhile, I'm going to use some other cream concealer. I can use the same concealer that you used to apply on your face, and you can just apply it on your lids for eyelid priming. And once after the concealer is there for like a good 10 to 50 seconds basically, you can just blend it all. Now I'm going to take my powder onto the same sponge, and I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to press the powder into my skin. So this is what I'm doing lately, and my foundation and my base is like there for the whole entire day without moving, smudging, and all sort of things. And I'm also doing some powder contour on the top of the cream contour, and moving on to eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm clearly obsessed with the Juvia's Mini Masquerade Palace, or please, I'm just messing with the name. I don't know with this eyeshadow palette. Please bear with me. And I'm taking these two shades on my crease area. You know what guys, I just did my whole entire eyes without filming it, without switching on, and then I realized I completed the whole entire look. So I decided to remove one eye, and that's what happened in this eye. I removed the entire eye and actually redid basically, just to show you guys. So I'm also deepening the crease with a denser precise blending brush, and I'm going to take this violet shade from the same palette, and I'm applying this with my fingers. I think the colors in this palette actually work really amazing well when applied on your fingers. So next I'm taking this goldeny champagne color and I'm working this on the inner corners, like the 1/3 of my inner, 1/3 of my eyelid, and also taking some dark reddish brown shade and working on the lower and outer V. Then I'm going to apply some eyeliner. This one is from NYX. This one is like my favorite. When I actually bought this for the first time, I was like, oh my god, this is such an amazing eyeliner. Then I just eventually stopped using it, and again I'm just falling in love with it again. So for kajal, I'm using the Faces magneteyes kajal, and this one is on the affordable side. On, you can just use it for daily day basis as well. For mascara, I'm using this Essence Big Lashes mascara. I'm not a big fan of this, but it does its job pretty well, and I'm also going to apply some falsies later on. So for blush, I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette, and I'm taking this on a stippling brush because I don't know why. No, actually stippling brush gives like this beautiful natural finish. I'm working with blushes. So for highlight, I'm using champagne highlight from the Faces Contour palette, and also highlighting the Cupid's bow, which I usually don't do. For the lips, I'm going on with some pink liquid lipstick. I think the pink actually complements well with the violet eyes, and also going to apply some lip liner onto my outer lips. And this one is like a deep maroonish plum color from Lakme. All the product names and details will be in the description box below. You can definitely check them out. And yes, I have also popped on some lashes. So that's it guys, I hope you all like the video. If you want, you can also spritz some makeup setting spray at the end once after completing all your face. But I feel like the face just remains the same even without spritzing makeup setting spray. For my skin type, I have oily to combination skin, and this techniques just keeps my oil at bay for a very long time. Try this and let me know if it worked for you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.